In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use goals in Clickup, specifically focusing on OKRs, which stands for Objectives and Key Results. Whether you're heading a team or just managing your personal projects, effective goal setting is crucial, and Clickup provides a robust platform to manage these plans seamlessly. Let's dive into it. To start with, we'll need to navigate to the Clickup website. Open your preferred web browser and type in clickup.com. You'll be met with the home page, and at the top right corner, you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login. If you have an account, you can just proceed, but if you're new, you'll want to set up an account first. Assuming you already have an account, the next step is really simple. Use the Continue with Google option for logging in, which saves time and makes the process straightforward. Once you select your Google account, you'll be inside the Clickup dashboard. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the left panel. Look for the section labeled More. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked there, you'll see an option for Goal. Clicking on Goal will take you to a section where all the magic happens. Now, let's create our first goal. Move your cursor to the top right corner and click on Plus New Goal. This is where you start crafting your objective. You'll be prompted to type in your goal name. Make sure it's clear and concise so that the purpose is evident at a glance. After typing in the name, click OK to proceed. Next, you'll need to designate an owner for this goal. This is simply the person who will be responsible for overseeing the goal's progress. Choose the appropriate owner from the list. Just beneath that, you'll find an option to select who can access this goal. This feature ensures that everyone who needs to be updated on the progress is in the loop. You're almost there. The next task is to fill in any other relevant details to give more context to your goal. Once you have everything filled in, go ahead and click OK. Now that we have our goal set up, we can move on to creating a target within this goal. Look for the option to Create a Target and click on it. When prompted, enter the name of this target. Just like the overall goal, make it clear and descriptive. Choose the owner for this specific target, which might be the same or different from the goal owner, depending on your needs. Then, you're prompted to decide the type of target you want to set. Select the one that fits best with your goal's objectives. Finally, once you've double-checked everything, click OK. And that's it. You've successfully set up your first goal and target within Clickup using the OKR framework. This is a fantastic way to streamline your project management and keep everyone aligned towards achieving significant results. Happy goal setting!